Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be back with the Return to Freddy's 2. Night 2. So we're in night 2. This game's supposed to be like the easiest game of the whole series.
Featuring the cameras. That is actually brand new. We just moved into the building 3 days ago. We had a gift giving animatronic here. He kept the kids happy until one bully came and tore him apart. It wasn't a pretty scene. But now he is stored in the basement, so he shouldn't be able to wander around, I guess. And the part that scares me about this is that the puppet thing that lives in the music box, it can go anywhere. So to prevent that, just wind up the music box and hope that it doesn't come after you. Should hold him in place. The animatronics have been acting really strange lately. Our technicians and the CEO assumes it's a glitch in the system, but them and I don't really know how bad the glitch is or what it can cause yet. But I'll update you if they ever find out. Before they even opened up the place, we had a yellow suit instead of a brown one. The yellow one was supposed to be Freddy, but you can see dust marks very easily on the yellow one. So the CEO just switched it to a brown one. And the yellow suit happens to be right in the storage basement next.
Alright, so yeah, Bonnie Bomb Brooklyn. We're back in action with the that's right. We're already in that. Yeah. Now 2 a.m. This night's supposed to be. This night is actually pretty easy. This game is more easier than Five Nights at Freddy's 2. It's 2 a.m. I don't make it to 3. This game is really easy. I don't know if night 5 is impossible. I might do night 5 or night 6 or night 7. Night 7 is impossible for me, which is, I think it's 1020 mode, yeah. Okay, 3 a.m. I think night 3 is actually Foxy. Yep, it is Foxy. Night 3 is Foxy. I'm excited for night 3. And night 4. We're about to make it through this game. I don't know what there's music for. Means something, I don't know. We're getting closer, we're moving. Am I close to danger? It's 4 a.m. Because it is aggressive. Where's the honking noise? I like that honking. It's my first game, so... Come on, 5 a.m. I'm so excited for 5 a.m. Is it? It's about to be 5 a.m. I know it is. Don't trick me, girl. I know it is about to be 5 a.m. Yeah. I'm about to be 6 a.m. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do part 3 of this game. Oh god. I do have the Return to Freddy's 3 and 4. I think I'm gonna do them. You guys still watch. Yeah, it's nice to just go easy. Freddy, move! I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry what I just did. But I'm about to win. Yep, I'm about to win. I'm about to win. Yeah! Baby, yeah! I won! Come on, 6 a.m. Dun. Yeah! Alright, so the third night is gonna be in the next episode when I beat the whole game. I'm so excited to beat the game. So, yeah, guys. See you all later.